In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw from Deriv using a payment agent, which is one of the quickest withdrawal methods available. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. On the dashboard, click the deposit now, and what will happen is you'll be forwarded to this page. Scroll down until you find the option that says payment agent because you can fund using a local payment agent. A payment agent is a trusted third-party exchanger who helps you deposit or withdraw funds using local payment methods that may not be directly available on Deriv. Once you are on the payment agent page, you will see your unique Deriv ID, which is going to be this one. You can also search the bar to look for available payment agents on your preferred currency and, of course, your preferred payment method. In this case, we're choosing USD, and that's going to be e-wallet. Now, please keep in mind that deposit limits range from $1 until 2,000 USD. Deposit fee is 5%, and the withdrawal fee is also 5%. If you'd like to contact the payment agent directly, you can reach them through Telegram. All you have to do is open the Telegram desktop. If you have it installed on your computer, send them a message. Before sending any money, always double check the payments agent's ratings, transaction limits, and fees to make sure the service matches your needs. Copy your Deriv unique ID. Send the agent a message again. Open the Telegram desktop. Once you've agreed on the payment method and amount, send your Deriv ID to the payment agent, complete the payment, and wait for the funds to appear on your Deriv wallet. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to withdraw from Deriv using a payment agent. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.